Hey adventurers! Have you ever been out hiking in the beautiful forest around Stuttgart and thought you knew where you were, only to realize you're completely lost? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. But today, I'm going to show you how to use a compass and trail markers to make sure you never get lost again, no matter if you're in Stuttgart woods or anywhere else. Let's dive in. Now, let's talk about this trusty tool, the compass. Whether you're exploring the Black Forest or hiking near the Schloss Solitude, this little gadget can save your life. A compass always points north, and that's super helpful when your phone dies or when you're hiking in places with lots of twists and turns, like the forest near Stuttgart. Here's how to use it. Hold the compass flat in your hand and line the needle up with the N for north. When it lines up, you'll know exactly which direction to go. Easy, right? Trail markers are your trail buddies. These bright colored markers help you stay on the right path. Around Stuttgart, you'll often see white or yellow markers on trees, posts, or rocks. They show you where to go, so if you're ever confused about which way to turn, just look for these little signs. In the forest near Stuttgart, these trail markers are often part of bigger trail networks, like the Schwäbische Alb or the Stuttgart Stadtwald trails. If you haven't seen a marker in a while, it's a good idea to stop, pull out your map, and double check your route. That's it for today's episode. Now you know how to use a map, compass, and trail markers to keep you going the right way. Whether you're hiking through Stuttgart's forest up to the Mercedes-Benz Museum or exploring the countryside, stay safe and keep exploring. Next time, we'll talk about trail etiquette and how to be the best hiker out there. See you soon, adventurers!